Is your car's temperature gauge spiking into the red? Don't panic, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down why your car might be overheating, the most common causes, and a few simple fixes. Plus, we'll talk about how used auto parts, including used engines and transmissions, can save you big when it's time for repairs. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon for expert car care tips and money-saving solutions from Beeline's Automotive. Alright, let's get into it. Overheating is one of the most common, and most serious, issues drivers face. But what causes it? Coolant problems. Low coolant levels or a coolant leak are the #1 culprits. Without enough coolant, your engine can't regulate heat properly. Check for puddles under your car or a sweet smell under the hood. Broken radiator fan. If your radiator fan fails, airflow stops, and heat builds up fast. A used radiator fan from a trusted source can solve this without breaking the bank. Thermostat failure. A stuck thermostat can block coolant from flowing to the radiator. Replacing it is usually affordable, and yes, it's available as a quality used part too. Engine or transmission damage. Severe overheating can be a symptom, not just a cause. A cracked head gasket or slipping transmission might be the real issue, and that's when used engines or used transmissions come in handy. At Beeline's Automotive, we source high-quality, tested components, so you don't have to pay new part prices. Pro tip: if your temperature gauge rises in stop-and-go traffic but drops on the highway, your fan or water pump might be the problem. Quick question: have you ever had your car overheat in the middle of nowhere? Comment below and let us know how you handled it. We might feature your story in our next video. Still watching? Subscribe now for more quick fixes, auto part tips, and maintenance hacks, right here on Beeline's Automotive. To sum it up, car overheating isn't always a disaster, but ignoring it can lead to expensive damage. Stay ahead of the issue by checking your cooling system, keeping your fluids topped off, and replacing worn-out parts when needed. At Beeline's Automotive, we offer used auto parts, engines, and transmissions that help you fix the problem affordably and reliably. We have the parts you require, tried, dependable, and prepared for shipping, whether you're a shop employee or a do-it-yourselfer. Need help finding the right part for your vehicle? Reach out today. Toll free, 1-888-752-4286. Email, info@beelinesautomotive.com. Website, beelinesautomotive.com.